You can also directly access video sharing sites from TikTok after you export out video so that you can start uploading your content right away. So to do that, you need to go around onto export and then first export out your video content. And once that is done, what happens is that you get to this page right here, which allows you to go around and sign in onto your TikTok account directly right here. And you can go around and choose TikTok settings right here and then upload out your videos directly as well. But you do need to have a TikTok account for that. And once you click on sign in, what will happen is that it'll redirect you to sign into TikTok by using your account. What you can also do is you can click on YouTube right here, and what happens is that it directly opens up your YouTube studio, as you can see on the upload section. So you can go around and select out your file right here, just like this, and then choose out the video file just like this and upload it directly onto YouTube right here, just like this. So this is what you can do, as you can see, and this is how you can go around and utilize the video sharing option inside of CapCut desktop editor after it has been exported. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.